This is the IceMate, and it's uninstalled. Oh man, this is the line from which water from the tank comes in, and then this is the point at which the water flows out into the ice maker. This is the replacement line that for a installation of an ice maker, but this is the line that goes essentially from the source from the pump, and it flows up into the back of the refrigerator. I'll show you that in a minute, but that's kind of it. This device is the solenoid that is the magnetic switch that allows ice to go into the ice maker, and these switches here, which are on the back of the IceMate, connect here. Now, ordinarily these are the male versus the female, but this particular solenoid has the spade switch. But anyway, these two right here, when these are connected, it tells the solenoid to open, and that allows water to flow in here and then out here, and then goes out to the ice maker. And this particular deal goes like this, and it's got a device. Anyway, this goes to the ice maker. The water traditionally comes into the solenoid right here. You'll see that this is the point at which the water goes into the solenoid and then comes out and going to the ice maker here. And this is the traditional installation where you're using city water to go in here into this screw-in spot, and then out to the ice maker. This is the ice maker set up on a stand in our office, and this is unfortunately they don't make this GE Smart Water device anymore, but there are several other like it on the market, and you'll see that the Smart Water bottled water stand has a hole in the bottom of it, and it comes, you can see if I can, I've adapted this by drilling a hole in the bottom of the stand so that the water drains out of the Smart Water filter down to the pump, to the IceMate pump, and then this particular setup allows it to go from the pump and this goes to the ice maker. I'll show you that in just a second. You can see that this is the device here that comes from the ice maker. And these are the two red and blue designated spades, and then the line. These are the electric lines that go from the ice maker. See, they go all the way up and they go into the ice maker up here at the top, and then it goes through that hole back into the ice maker inside the refrigerator, inside the freezer cabinet. This is how the solenoid is attached in the back here. And you can see how it used to work, how this line, which now goes to the ice mate, comes around here, and it goes into the back of the refrigerator. You can see that. So you can see here that these are the electrical lines that go into the ice maker in the freezer, and then the water comes in here. And I'm going to try to get this thing to cycle. You won't be able to see anything, I don't think, but you might hear something. Well, you can see those fingers rotating slowly. They're getting ready to push the ice out of the ice maker. You can see the fingers are slowly pushing up the individual cubes of ice as they come up out of the ice maker. You can see now the ice is getting ready to drop down into the ice bucket. You'll see that. I should be in just a second. Did I? As the fingers cycle again, you'll see that the bail will go all the way around, and it will now signal or send an electric signal to the pump. It's going to tell the pump in just 1 second to turn on. And again, it does it by this collection that comes out of the refrigerator, out of the freezer, and then sends the signal to the ice maker. And it'll turn on in just a second, I believe. As you can hear, the pump has come on and it's now pumping water to the ice maker out of this reservoir. Now I like this countertop model because you can put it on one of these carts, and the cart has all kinds of storage underneath it. But this is the traditional style that's got a stand here that's got, you put the 5-gallon bottle of water in here, and then this is where this is a clean out, or a way to drain. This device right here is a way to drain the pump to clean it, but it also works great for a way to put water into the ice maker.